Hi, hello, good evening everybody. Welcome to Gradeup. Welcome to the session. We are with Startup series for GATE 2021 aspirants. Today, I would be telling you what opportunities you may have after your 4 years of BE or B.Tech graduation. Because if you are in final year, definitely by this time you might have known what you might have you could do after your B.Tech. But as 2021 is for second year or third year graduation students, so at second year or third year you might not be having better idea about what opportunities you may get after your B.Tech. That's why, keeping that in our view, we are with today's session, that is what you may get after your B.Tech. Okay, before we start the session, students, please mark your presence. If you are on live, please. Manjunath, this would be for computer science. It's not generic or it's not related to mechanical, but whatever the opportunities a computer science will have, almost same opportunities, even more a mechanical or other branch students will have, right? So whatever the opportunities CS will have, almost the same mechanical or triple ECE students will have. So you can even have idea about what you may do even into IT or somewhere. Okay, so anybody else, if you are on live, please mark your presence so that we can go ahead with the session. So students, what do you think after your B.Tech, as you are in B.Tech CSC or you might be in B.Tech IT? So I think with IT or software job aim, you might have joined your B.Tech CSC or IT, isn't it? Akash Chakrabarti, yeah, good. Sabana, good evening. Santu, Santu Kumar, mathematics also will be covered, but currently we start with technical, but maths also will be covered, because maths will be covered in general for all branches. So you need not to worry about that, Santu Kumar. Right. Shivakarthik, what about CSC? Yes, Shivakarthik, to tell about CSC only we are here. Gyan Prakash, very good evening. Okay, good to see you guys. Let's get into the session. So this is brief about me. I am Satya with 13 plus years of teaching experience, and I have trained over 10,000 plus students, and I am a PhD scholar. I am GATE qualified, SET qualified, Cisco certified. This is brief about me. Before we get into the session, I wanted to bring to your notice that because 2020 GATE aspirants might be there watching this series, watching this video, watching this session, or you might have your known friends or seniors who are giving an attempt in GATE 2020. So for them, we Gradeup conducting a mega mock challenge on 5th Feb for computer science, and for other branches also you can see the information here if any other branch students are there. For mechanical and EC on 29th Jan, for triple E, civil and CS on 5th Feb there is a mega mock challenge which is before the actual GATE exam. So I request all the 2020 aspirants to participate in this, to register for this mega mock challenge, and you can just assess yourself about your performance. Okay. And as you might know, the 2020 GATE exam is going to happen on 8th February. On the same day, Gradeup is doing live analysis at 10 p.m. because the GATE exam is from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So just once you finish your exam, within 4 hours of time, you can attend for this live analysis of 2020 paper. Even 2021 aspirants also can watch this, because you can know what questions have come, what kind of questions have come in 2020 GATE, what is the difficulty level. Okay. And what are the highlights of this live analysis? You can see we will be giving you the answer key for almost all the questions we will try to, and we will be analyzing the weightage subject wise from every subject. This time in the 2020, how many marks have come, in the last year how many marks have come. So with the comparison, we will try to show you that, and what could be the expected cutoff for qualifying the GATE exam. So I request all 2020 aspirants as well as 2021 aspirants also to mark your calendar for this live analysis and join the session. Okay. Now the current session is about the career opportunities for BE or B.Tech CSE students or IT students. Guys, majorly after your B.Tech there might be many options, but majorly we can see the most probable options that students will choose are, first option definitely would be, you may want to get into the software IT field, right, as a developer or as a into testing or into networking, right. So the first probable option that a CSE B.Tech or IT B.Tech student will have would be IT job, software job, or they may want to pursue their further studies, maybe M.Tech or MS in the abroad, or somebody might wanted to take integrated PhD, that means along with PG, PhD integrated course they may want to pursue. So you may want to pursue further studies. If it is in India, definitely you might wanted to pursue in the great institutes like IITs, IISc and IITs. That could be one option that you may have. Or you might aim for PSUs. Of course, currently compared with the other branches, CS students have less PSUs, but year to year they are getting increased. So by 2021 we can get even more count with respect to PSUs. Or you may aim for civil services, or you may come competition to us, means somebody, this is very less probability, like if you have passion towards teaching, then you might join in some engineering college as a assistant faculty, then you may pursue your M.Tech. So you may want to get into teaching side, or you may do some part-time teaching outside in private institutes, right. That could be one possibility. So majorly these are the 5 areas that I have identified, because I am training the students since 13 years. So many students will be contacting me personally after their GATE exam or after their graduation. So by analyzing what they are doing now, so I can say many B.Tech CSE or IT students, after their 4 years of graduation, they will be choosing either of this as their career option, right. And I am presenting here even more elaborated options for you. So once after your B.Tech, yes, you may select for IT job like in the top most reputed companies like Microsoft, TCS, Accenture, IBM, Infosys, Wipro, Honeywell. So we have very great giant organizations who are recruiting every year the freshers. So that could be one option for B.Tech CS students. Or you may want to pursue your M.Tech through GATE or MS through GRE, or you may want to aim for PSUs, civil services, teaching in engineering colleges, or you may want to go for PhD, means research, or you may want to get into MBA, management side or marketing side. So this is just another presentation, another way of giving you an idea about what opportunities you may have after your B.Tech. Okay. So if you want to choose M.Tech as your career opportunity after your B.Tech, yes, you might have this question, sir, how M.Tech could be career opportunity? Because if you get a job, because many of the students now who are there here, I think you are from non-IITs or non-NITs, right? So the package, the pay package that you could get in your campus placements could be very less, maybe not more than 5 lakhs per annum, or if it is a very good one, you might get 8 lakhs per annum, right? But if you wait for 2 years, if you crack GATE with a good AIR, if you join any IIT, very reputed IITs, and if you pursue your M.Tech from IITs or NITs, there the campus placements quality is very good and the pay package is also very good, right? So at the end of the day, everybody are calculating or everybody are looking their career in terms of the pay package, in terms of the money only, isn't it? How much salary I get? Of course, how much you enjoy your job, your career, that is also important. So that is what here this slide is for. If you choose your further career opportunity after your B.Tech as further study, see what areas you have to pursue your M.Tech or PhD. See, you may pursue from artificial intelligence, that could be one specialization, or you may pursue from network security, or in the robotics, data mining, animation, machine learning. Here I can add even IoT, AI, Python, data science, whatever today they are trending. So your M.Tech specialization or PhD specialization, you can choose any of these because these are trending. Currently I can say ML with AI, ML with Python, ML with data science, ML with IoT. Currently this is the trending specialization. Okay. So here my perspective is to give you an idea about what you may do after your B.Tech, so that if you have better idea, you may plan accordingly because you have solid 2 years of time in your hand. So if you plan what you wanted to do after your B.Tech with the clear idea, then definitely if you know that, if you can plan accordingly, right? That's why, that is the motto behind this session, guys. See, if you want to get into IT or software job, see, you have ample number of opportunities, ample number of domains that you may get into IT or software. You may get into IT, see here, as a data analyst, as a web designer, as a SEO specialist, as a multimedia programmer, web content manager, software engineer, network engineer. See here, IT consultant, system analyst, game developer, application developer like Android developer. So you have here, I am just trying to present just 18 different ways to get into IT or software, but there could be even more also. I am not talking about BPOs or call centers. I am talking about completely technical, not non-technical. So all these require what? Technical skills. So guys, now the point is, when you want to get into IT or software, what do you require? What skill set you require? Because you are from CSC or IT background, what skill set an employer expects from you? Strong programming skills, right? So are you really gaining such strong fundamental knowledge from your college, from your faculty? I don't tell that. You know yourself better than me. So what is the way to gain knowledge in programming if you want to get into software? The best way is you give an attempt to GATE, because GATE has, excluding mathematics, GATE has 9 pillar subjects for CSC, in which programming and data structures is there, which is one of GATE syllabus subject. So there you would be learning about topic, all the programming stuff or data structure stuff in depth, which is expected by the employers, by the software employers. What skill set they expect, at that level you could definitely learn as a part of your GATE preparation, right? And if you want to get into PSUs, as you will carry your academic certificate from B.Tech, CSC or IT, there also again they might ask you some questions on the basic stuff like algorithms, operating systems, or simple networking basics based questions, or programming questions. Again, your GATE preparation can make you ready for PSUs as well, even more better. You need not to join any other special institute or special course for that. GATE is the one common course through which you can be better in your academics. You can be better, you can have better chances for getting IT or software job. You can pursue your PG in the reputed institutes like IITs, IISc or NIT, so that ultimately you may get good pay package, good placements, quality placements. So I am relating these M.Tech or ME in IITs or NITs is again related to salary only, guys. You understand my point. From B.Tech, from XYZ college, what is the pay package you are getting? The same. If you spare 2 more years, if you pursue your M.Tech from IIT, there if you get a campus placement, what would be the pay package? So you can just relate both, then you will understand what I am telling, right? And through GATE you can get what? Again I just brief, you can be better in your academics, you will get more chances for getting employed by software employers, software companies. You may get admission into IIT or IISc, isn't it? And you may be eligible for PSUs, central government jobs. So these many opportunities, see, you have through GATE. You may pursue M.Tech, PhD, PSUs, and you may want to get into management side after your B.Tech, because there will be some students who have interest towards management. So IIMs offer a course, Fellow in Program Management, IIM's PhD course name, that is Fellow in Program Management. So You may wanted to go abroad and pursue MS, teaching, research. See, through GATE, don't think like GATE is for only joining M.Tech in IITs. Through GATE, you have these many opportunities. So guys, I request all the B.Tech students who are from CSC or IT, I request all B.Tech students, especially the third year B.Tech students who are in their 5th semester, third year means, I suggest everybody to give attempt for GATE exam in the 2021, so that ultimately you can do better in your academics. You go for even software job also, no problem. You need not to come to IITs. You go for software job, or you fly to US or UK to do your MS, no problem. But ultimately knowledge you will get. And here the most awaited, what PSUs you may get. What PSUs you may get. That here I am presenting for you. Some of the PSUs for B.Tech CSC students are these: Bharat Electronics Limited, IOCL, SAIL, HEC, HAL, BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, ONGC, Vizag Steel Plant, ECIL. See, these are all very big, reputed, prestigious institutes in our country, isn't it? These are all recruiting through GATE score. Through GATE score. And this count increases year to year. Earlier for CSC, even these many were also not there. But now we have around 15 to 20 different PSUs for CSC, B.Tech CSC or IT students. But even in the next year, in the upcoming years, it can even increase. Like you may know ISRO. ISRO is not directly taking from GATE score, but whatever the ISRO exam they are conducting, if you see the syllabus of ISRO, that is 95% same as GATE syllabus. And the ISRO paper, if you see, 90% they will maintain the GATE paper, how the GATE level questions come. In the same way, ISRO questions also you will see. And sometimes from the previous GATE papers only, ISRO questions will come. They will copy from previous GATE papers. So, in the companies like ISRO, you may have a job. See, along with money, you will have respect. You will have security for your job if you choose PSUs. So, guys, if you are into B.Tech third year or second year, aim big. Aim big, definitely. Don't just aim for IT. IT is definitely, it could be one option for you. Software job could be one option for you. But don't think today B.Tech CSC or IT students are not only having the IT or software job as option. But for this, for PSUs, for PhD, for IITs, IISc, if your career need to be bright, you need to have proper plan and you need to execute it properly. And now I can see Veer Pratap question, sir, is this series for B.Tech passed out students? Veer Pratap, here the point is, this is the series for GATE 2021 aspirants. So if you have passed out B.Tech, no problem. If you are giving your GATE exam in the 2021, then this series is for you. So Anubhav, very few PSU recruiting ECE this time through GATE. What to do? Anubhav, that is what I am telling. When you think of only one option, then you might worry, you might think like, why I have to take GATE exam. But see, GATE is not just giving PSUs. PSUs is one of the options, right? So, than PSU you may have admission into IIT. 2 years you will gain knowledge as well as IIT brand for your resume or profile, and from there you may, I mean, in these 2 years PSUs may be more for you. So, why don't you think in that way? Why can't you have the IIT tag with you for your profile? Definitely that is a value added, right? Which PSUs available for IT stream? Gyan Prakash, like, you mean to ask, like, do any software company recruit through a GATE score? Is that what you want to ask for? Or whatever these companies recruit for CSE students, of course they are recruiting into IT sector only. They are not recruiting into marketing, or they are not recruiting into management or HR, no. They are recruiting into IT sector only. Means you will be working, you will be doing your related work only in these companies. If that is your question, this is my answer, Gyan Prakash. Veer Pratap, please upload subjects from basic to advanced so we can make notes. Yes, in the app you can see the short notes, topic wise notes, already it is there, Veer Pratap. Okay. So, the aim of this session is to give you an idea about what you may do after your B.Tech. You may do many things, but guys, what I suggest is, you may wanted to do anything, but give an attempt to GATE exam, because GATE exam can bring all your dreams come true, because GATE exam will give you PSU, that, this. Rather than telling all this, I can say GATE will give you the sufficient knowledge. With that knowledge, you may get into any area and you may shine there like anything, right? So, and in our Gradeup, we are having a common access to all the tests that we offer through green card, because green card is the common means through which you can access any quiz or any test. You can give attempt to that, and this is yearly. It is just yearly membership. It is just for 499, and monthly if you take it is just for 299. I advise everybody, whoever wants to pursue this course is completely free. This course is completely free, but if you want to take the tests through this course, so I request some tests will be given for free, not all. So, if you want to access all the tests, so this is the way you can. I prefer you to take this yearly card membership, okay? And from tomorrow, guys, we are starting this series technical part. From tomorrow, every weekday, that means Monday to Friday at 5 p.m. sharp, I will be coming to you online, on live in the YouTube as well as in the Gradeup app. So, I request everybody to download Gradeup app from App Store or iStore, and so that you may register for this, so that you will get timely notifications, timely schedule and all, okay. So, I advise everybody to switch to Gradeup app rather than YouTube, because you may see complete schedule over there, 1 month schedule, upcoming schedule, what topics are going to happen, at what time, quiz, everything, right? Gyan Prakash, it is a free course, and in the paid course definitely you will have more topics, more elaborated explanation, more quiz, more tests. So, definitely there would be a difference, okay. Fine guys, that's all for today. From tomorrow we will be starting the series technical part. So I request everybody to communicate the same to your friends also about this series, and I expect many of you or all the students to come for this course at 5 p.m. on the every weekday. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your time. I hope this session helped you. Yes, mathematics also will be included, but you can find the schedule in the app. What is the complete schedule? At least 1 month before you can see. Okay, fine guys, that's all for today. Prep smart, score better, go grade up. Thank you.